All right, welcome back to AutoNet. So today I want to talk a little bit about using the Dojo CLI and being able to theme some of the Dojo widgets that you can get out of the box. So what I have here is a simple little widget that's just going to show an image. It's going to pull an image from the infamous Phil Murray site. I'm going to use that image in my little widget I've got here. I call What About Bob? And what I'm going to use inside this widget is going to be the accordion pane that's going to come from the Dojo Widgets library. All right, so they provide a bunch of widgets out of the box. There's an accordion pane, there's a slide pane, there's a title pane, there's what do you call it? Button, and plenty more. There's a whole slew of form widgets and fun widgets you can get directly from Dojo 2 out of the box. So I just went ahead and looked at some of the doc for how the accordion pane works and set this up. I won't go into too much detail about that. But the idea here is I'm just going to show Mr. Murray inside each of these panes, right? So nothing too funky going on there. So now if I run this, run my Dojo build on this with the Dojo CLI, it's going to start a little local server for me. Give it a second to go. All right, so if we come over here, just refresh this, make sure it's all nice and fresh. All right, awesome. So I've got my two accordion panes here, and I've got Mr. Murray here, and Mr. Murray here. Look at that. Okay, that's cool. That's pretty basic. That's pretty simple, but it doesn't really look too good. So maybe I want to style this accordion pane widget to make it look a little nicer, right? So let me stop that. Let's write Dojo create theme, and the name is going to be Dojo. And it's going to ask me a couple questions here. It's going to ask me what package do you want to theme. Now I want to package something that is from the Dojo widgets packages, right? Any more? No, it's okay for now. Now what it's going to do is it's going to go ahead and ask me which of the widgets from the Dojo widgets do I want to theme. I'm going to do accordion pane. You can see here is button, calendar, checkbox, dialogue, all kinds of cool stuff, things you would be glad to have when you're going to be working with building your apps. So let's do that. Okay, so it's gone ahead and done that now. So if we come over here to the themes folder, I've got a theme file, and this is I can't find module right now only because the CSS module TypeScript definition file doesn't get created till I actually start to build my app. What I get here though is inside of here I've got these widgets, I've got the accordion pane, and I've got the CSS file for it. Now the accordion pane is pretty simple. There's not a whole lot to it other than the fact that it has a root directory. But if I want to, for example, target the button that is part of the accordion pane, I can do that in here. So in this case here, I'm going to make the background of the entire accordion pane widget be this kind of pinkish color there. And then the button that is part of the accordion pane, I'm going to go ahead and set some styles for this. So I'm going to get a little bit of height, change the background, a little bit of border, and so on. Just kind of make it look a little cleaner. All right. So I'm going to save that. Now, I'm not done yet. I've gone ahead and styled it and everything, but I still need to go ahead and try to use it. And you're going to do that over here. So give me 1 second here. Of course, I've got all this stuff in another file because I already did all this. So using Dojo widgets, it's all virtual DOM, so it uses this projector to go ahead and project your virtual DOM into a DOM, I guess you could say. All right, so there's my widget, but I need to bring in some other modules here. So I am bringing in this from widget core, this mixins for themed. I'm bringing in the registry from Dojo widget core, and I'm also bringing in the theme. That's a theme that we just saw earlier, which is this one over here. All right, so it's bringing that in, and now I need to go ahead and apply that theme to this this application. All right, so we have the widgets, which is going to be coming in, and I'm going to create a projector for that widget, my What About Bob right here. And I create a new instance of it. But now I need to go ahead and pull up the registry. So I'm going to register that widget with the theme, right? So it's going to combine those two things together, set some properties here, and I'm good to go. All right, so let's try it now. Oops, nope, not what I wanted. Dojo build, that's what I want. So it's going to build, it's going to build. It might error on me because, see, so now the definition file just got completed here, but uh, the build still says it errors because it couldn't find the definition file. But it doesn't get created until after it's done. So I got to stop that, run it again, and this should work now without any errors. There we go. All good to go. Let me refresh this, and bam, there we go. I've gone ahead and styled this pane, make it a little bit more interesting. Mr. Murray, sir, what are you doing? And there we go. And so it's pretty simple to go ahead and create a custom theme for widgets that are not my own. All right, so there you go. Try it out. It's one of the cool features you get with the Dojo CLI to create these custom themes. Thank you.